pour a little bit oil on it. The garlic infused oil is lovely.
So what are you drinking? Nice. So now I'm going to roll these into long sticks.
That's right.
There, my hand. Yuck.
Just gently. Okay, I
So do you want to tell us what you're doing?
Yeah, just frying this dough into making
Our fake meat.
fake chicken bits.
And it tastes really, really good.
So we're gonna make Chinese style vegan orange chicken.
Yeah.
Orange chestnut chicken. Today. Gonna shallow fry this. 甜甜咁炸佢. Yeah.
It looks like chicken.
We don't have this a lot, do we? But
No.
it's very tasty. It's not entirely healthy.
But it's healthier than
But because it's
deep fried
Easter
chicken.
Sunday today, we're going to
Have a treat.
have a treat.
And also,
Does it look like chicken or what?
it looks super like chicken from the camera.
Yeah.
It
So
looks
we-
like you're frying
so
chicken.
what's the dough? We had leftover pizza dough from last night.
Yeah, because we cooked pizza.
Yeah, and you guys made pizza, didn't you?
Yeah, but there was lots of leftover dough.
Yeah.
Really sticky. And now we're making it in. Now we just put some seeds and oil
Yeah.
into it and made full chicken.
And just
It looks pretty much like chicken.
press it down.
Right, there's your stuff. There you go, that's for the carrot cake.
Oh, thank you. That's lots of.
My dad
So just juice.
emptied out the juicer,
Yeah. So we have carrot juice.
and now we have these little carrot bits right here.
Yeah. So
And we're going to use that to make carrot cake. Yummy.
carrot cake.
Meanwhile, Mum's
Meanwhile.
still making,
I'm just going to finish this off.
finishing that. When they've cooled down, I'm going to try one.
Okay.
Because it looks super tasty.
It's just flour. You can try that little one. It's cool now.
Okay.
You got moustache. You got carrot juice moustache.
Break the eggs into a bowl. Now, Ewan,
You can use a fork to crack it.
if it's easier for you.
Yeah. No, not like that. Like that. Swing at it. That's it. That's it.
Now, Ewan, you can open it.
Yeah. Okay. Voila.
Voila.
Well done.
And how many eggs?
4.
Okay, Ewan. Put that in the bin.
No, leave it then. Lillian, can you get?
You do 2 eggs, I do 2 eggs, because I like cracking eggs. Nice. Nice. Perfecto. Eggy goodness. Oh, 3 eggs. Mummy, there's a bubble.
Just put all the mixture in there.
Try not to get any white things in there.
3
eggshells.
eggs. Now,
The 4th. Oh, solid lump.
hi Ewan, what are you doing?
Miss, don't you see? It's mixing the eggs.
Now, just pour it into there. Now, and you can lightly whisk it. Very carefully now. Not too lightly. Do it however you want, but just try and make sure that it doesn't spill, okay?
Okay. Does that go inside here?
Yep, but Mummy needs to do it.
Oh, that is inside of there.
Yeah. Lily, Ewan, can you read the instructions?
Okay. So,
It looks really nice, Mummy. It looks like a marble pattern.
Yeah. Dad don't like raisins, so we're not going to use raisins. We could have nuts in it.
in a separate bowl, sift the flour mixed please.
We're going to have
Rice.
sifted flour in a separate bowl.
So we made it entirely out of hearts that we cut. And it's really beautiful, isn't it? Now,
Yeah.
We need flour and sugar, Dad.
hi Lillian.
I've got you, you can wash.
But let's scale this. We need flour in the
Okay.
mixture. Flour. You can charge 200 grams of cell raisins. I've got cell raisins. Hang on.
So Ian, what are you doing? You're looking at the instructions?
Yeah, the
200
ingredients.
grams of cell raisins. Hang on, let me just
Self-raising
turn this.
flour.
Voila. Voila.
How much, Mummy?
We also need mixed spice, bicarbonate, soda and salt. So in the sugar,
200 grams of cell raisins. Mixed spice. We're going to mix some spices.
mixed spice and bicarbonate.
What
soda and
spices
salt.
do we need? I've got some spice. Oh, sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Yeah, can you give me a teaspoon in a couple of these?
Okay.
Sugar.
That's it.
And a lot of sugar. A sprinkle of salt. You put it in the recycling bin, you for me.
What did you say?
Recycling.
Okay.
Okay, that's the dry mixture.
Mm-hmm.
Is it going
And who's going to mix the dry mixture?
Looks like chocolate.
Is it all mixed? Now add the wet carrot mixture in the dry ingredient and mix well. Make sure there's no pocket of flour. Spoon the cake batter into the mixture and line tin. Pour. Pour, pour, pour.
Very careful. I'll help you, okay?
Okay.
Film it like that so you can see Mum stirring it, yeah?
It feels very solid, this cake.
Really solid, isn't it?
Yeah, like it's not a lot of liquid this side. I'm sure it's going to be very moist. Let's feel the fluffiness of the carrot oozing out into the cake.
G-Max ooze.
Mummy, can I stir it?
That's a poison type.
Okay, I'm going to stir this.
You don't move it to camera too much. Yeah, that's it. The sauce, look.
Maybe, I don't know, that's Minecraft.
Minecraft's the best. You can create your own world, create your
It
own
might be
world.
something else. It might be like, if they do the chart, then they're allowed to play an hour of Minecraft easily.
Okay.
Do something like that. Maybe that's
Yeah,
probably a better
it's
option.
limited.
Yeah, that's better actually. Do that. Yeah, well.
Yeah. Minecraft is the best. I only got to play it one time in my life.
Probably better than
Too grown up, but it's to me it's really boring.
Okay. I think you won't like it so much. You like Minecraft.
Minecraft is so cool. You create every single pixel of your profile if you really want to.
Better.
And you can
It sounds quite creative. Kind of.
Maybe quite late.
you can create your own house, your own weapons.
Okay.
And you can even create your own animals. Like, you can breed dogs or cats in Minecraft.
You can breed dogs.
Yeah, you can create some. And you can create your own bed as well. Bunk beds even. I want like a secret house, wouldn't I? I'd want a secret house in Minecraft. I'll like build it underground so that the monsters go in.
Oh, thank you. It goes in there.
Yeah, I don't know where to put it. It's my space. Alright.
Actually.
Very good in that sauce.
To me, it looks like it's a waxy sauce.
It's not. It's sweet and sour.
So I'm just going to do mayonnaise because I like mayonnaise.
Is it nice, Mummy?
Oh yeah. I can't eat it. It's got sugar and